The Supreme Court has stayed the Allahabad High Court order that said that grabbing breasts and breaking the strings of the girls' pajamas were not sufficient to hold the charges of rape or attempt to rape. During the hearing, the bench said that the High Court judge who passed the order exhibited total insensitivity in handling the case. Well, court has issued notices to Centre and the UP government on the matter. The top court registered a suo motu case in this regard earlier yesterday on the basis of a letter by senior advocate Shobha Gupta. The High Court had ordered a POCSO court to alter the offence of rape in a case into that of assaulting or abusing with an intent, to disrobe or compel her to be naked. The High Court had ordered the court to alter the offence of rape, and we understand the High Court that time was hearing a petition that was filed by the accused that challenged the summons issued to them by the POCSO court in Kasganj to face trial in a rape case. And in a big development now, the Supreme Court has said that the observations that were made by the Allahabad High Court in that matter were not tenable and were completely insensitive.
This matter which was listed before the Honorable Supreme Court today, wherein the Supreme Court had taken suo motu cognizance of the Allahabad High Court's recent judgment of 17th March 2025. We appeared on behalf of Just Right for Children Alliance and also mother of the victim, because we had already filed the SLP 2 days back against the same impugned order of the Allahabad High Court. The Supreme Court has taken cognizance of the serious observations made by the Allahabad High Court and has stayed that particular judgment. Supreme Court also observed such insensitive observations made by the Allahabad High Court and has immediately issued notice to the Union of India.
All right, my colleague Nupur is also now joining us on the broadcast. She's been tracking all the developments there. Nupur, the Supreme Court coming down heavily on the Allahabad High Court for its order that said that, grabbing the breast or breaking the strings of the girl's pajama in that case that it was hearing then was not sufficient to hold the charge of rape. The court has now stayed the order, we believe, and what were the observations that were made in the court? Take us through the details.
Well, the Supreme Court today heard the suo motu case that it had in fact interfered with the Allahabad High Court order, which had in fact drawn sharp criticism from corners of society as well as senior members of the bar and in fact from the parliament itself. The Supreme Court Judge Justice P.R. Gavai today came down heavily and in fact made this observation that these particular observations by the Allahabad High Court Judge are unknown to the tenets of law. The Justice P.R. Gavai said that it is highly insensitive, and in fact the judge said that normally on occasions such as this they don't want to immediately stay without hearing the case, but now keeping in mind the insensitive observations and the larger ramification it can have, the Supreme Court judge has in fact stayed these observations made by in fact the order made by the Allahabad High Court judge. It has also issued notice to Centre and Uttar Pradesh government, and in fact it has sought assistance from Solicitor General and Attorney General in this case by the next hearing. In fact, today the Supreme Court said that the observations in fact were highly insensitive by the Allahabad High Court judge, and very importantly, Justice B.R. Gavai pointed out that the order was delivered after being reserved for 4 months. So the Justice B.R. Gavai said that it could not be said that the judge has not applied his mind while delivering this verdict or writing down this verdict. So the Justice B.R. Gavai in fact said that it seems that proper mind has been applied by the judge in writing this particular judgment. So coming down heavily on these observations, the Supreme Court for now has stayed the Allahabad High Court orders.
All right. Thank you so much, Nupur, for getting us all those details.